Hey everyone and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can take a simple shape and text in Canva and then turn them into new visuals. Whether you want a unique logo, eye-catching graphic or social media post, this trick will level up your design in minutes. Let's get started. First of all, open up your browser and then in the search bar search for canva.com. Once you search for it, you want to go ahead and simply create a new design. Once you have created it, you want to go ahead and head to Element tab and then choose any basic shapes like square, circle or rectangle. Go ahead and simply select it, and once done, you simply want to go ahead and resize it by dragging the corner and change its color from the top menu. You can even duplicate the shape by clicking Ctrl+D and then rotate them to create abstract patterns. So now let's combine shapes to make something new. For example, I have added a circle and a rectangle. You can even layer triangle or line to form icons like arrow and paper airplane. Once you're happy, you want to go ahead and simply select them both and then right click onto it. Now tap on group, or even you can press Ctrl+G in your keyboard. So when you group them together, you can simply move them as one. Now shapes aren't the only thing you can transfer. Let's work with text. To add a heading, you want to go ahead and simply tap on this text box, then simply tap on add a heading, and then type in your text. Now you can simply select them and choose whether you want it bold, italic, or underlined. Now select it, then tap on effects. Here you can curve text, make it hollow, or give it a splice effect. Play around until it looks unique. So now once your design looks good to you, group everything together, and then if you want to use it as a logo or sticker, export it as PNG with transparent background. This way you can drop it in any project. And that's it. Simple shapes and text transform into a brand new visual in Canva. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.